Welcome to Diane's Home Style Cooking. Today we're going to make some potato dumplings. This box makes 12 dumplings. This product also comes from Germany. And so whenever I make stuffed flank steak, I often like to make the potato dumplings. So I thought I would share this recipe with you first. So look into your grocery store and see if they sell some German products. And that's where you'll be able to find the potato dumplings. To begin with, you're going to need 3 cups of cold water. And then you're just going to add the packet into the cold water. And then you're just going to use a whisk. And you're going to mix it real well. So now that your dumpling mix is mixed, just let it sit for 10 minutes. You're going to need a large pot of boiling water and you're going to add some salt to it. It's recommended that you moisten your hands. So you can use a scoop or you can just use your hands. I'm just going to use a scoop and then form a ball. And they just really come out really well. I'm just going to make as many as I can. The box says it makes 12 and I'm just going to, I just like to have a certain size of my dumplings, and of course it's always going to be a little bit bigger. So they also suggested on the box that you could put a crouton in the middle of the potato. So maybe if it's your first time trying the potato dumplings, I probably would just recommend just trying it without it. And then if you like it, maybe the next time you could put some in a few and see what you think. They sell these boxes where they come in 6 in a package, but I do like having some left over for the next day. I ended up making 9 potato dumplings. I just want to say the potato dumpling was introduced to me by my friend Renata from Germany, and I can remember her making me some rouladen. And we had some potato dumplings and they were just wonderful. So one day when I was shopping at the commissary, I found the potato dumpling mix. And ever since then, I've been making them at least like maybe 2-3 times a year. So I just wanted to share that story with you. Now you want to bring a pot of boiling water to boil, and you're going to add some salt. Put my potatoes in. So as you can see, I'm bringing my water to a full boil. I'm going to cook the potatoes for 20 minutes in an uncovered pot. Once you bring your salted water to a boil, you want to cook your dumplings over medium heat for 20 minutes. So now that the dumplings are done, I'm just going to remove them from the pan. Look at how nice that looks. Isn't that nice? And then I like to serve my dumplings with beef gravy, especially with the flank steak that I'm making. I'm telling you, these are really delicious and just a nice little change that you can add. And then if you have company coming over, it's something that they don't get to eat too often and they're like, oh my gosh, that's so delicious. They really are delicious. I wanted to share this with you because it was just so easy, quick and easy to make. And sometimes we all need to have some recipes that are just easy and quick to prepare, but also something special. So my potato dumplings are finished, and you can use this savory beef gravy if you don't have time to prepare some homemade beef gravy. This works just great. If you do decide to make these potato dumplings, please leave a comment below. I thought I would share the potato dumpling recipe first before I share the stuffed flank steak. So on my next food video, that's what I'll be sharing with you. And I'd like to also say thank you to all of my subscribers who follow me each month. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please feel free to do so. It helps to make our channel grow. And you can also share our video and please click on like. Thank you so much for watching.